This is not just a carpet. It is an Afghan Vintage Bukhara masterpiece. After months of knotting, the design now enters its final stage, finishing. Every extra pile is carefully cut, every surface leveled with precision. This trimming sharpens the classic Bukhara motifs, revealing the elegance of its bold medallions and timeless patterns. With each touch of expert hands, the carpet gains clarity, softness, and shine. Finishing transforms a woven base into a true work of art, ready to carry the soul of Afghan tradition into homes, palaces, and collections worldwide. This is the beauty of Bukhara, perfected through patience, skill, and heritage. A journey of knots, threads, and time, ending in timeless perfection.